Do you want to make money without doing any of the hard work yourself? If so, you've come to the right place. Because in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make hundreds of dollars without doing anything, thanks to a site that I will show you inside of this video. And for those who are wondering, this works worldwide, and you won't be investing any money up front. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal. So head on over to PayPal and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching the Google Online Bank account in My Country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I am on Fiverr.com right now, but don't worry, the strategy doesn't involve Fiverr. I know from my comments that many of you do like it due to the fact that it's so competitive, but I'm using Fiverr as an example to show you something, which is what you will be doing to get paid and for how much. Well, you will be doing is creating video ads, but not for yourself. As I will show you in this video, a site that will create those videos, ads for you as promised in the intro. So you won't have to do any work yourselves at all, and you'll be able to get paid, even if you've never created a video ad. Now, as far as how much money you'll be making. Well, you can see from some of these gigs that we are talking literally hundreds of dollars per single video ad created. For example, this person here is charging this amount of money for a single video ad without a voiceover, as you can see, and thus far has had this amount of. If you just count the reviews, that means this person has certainly made a lot of money already. So as you can see, this has enormous potential, and this person is not the exception at all. This guy here is charging this amount for the cheapest package, and this amount for the most expensive one, and has had a good number of reviews thus far. So this guy has made over $100,000 most likely. So, as I said, this has huge potential to get you paid, while there are people charging less or having fewer. All of them have one thing in common. They've made a lot of money, some of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now with that said, let me show you the actual website we will be using in order to get paid. This site is called Legit.com. This site is just like Fiverr, a freelancing platform, but with one major difference. There's not nearly as much competition. Well, there's a similar number of people. In other words, on here, you can make much more money than on Fiverr as a beginner. If you come back over to Fiverr here, you'll be able to see that when I searched for video ads, I found nearly 9,000 services, which is simply a lot and would make trying to get started on Fiverr. Extremely, you can see how little competition Legit.com has in comparison to Fiverr by searching for video ads, as well as you can see. Even though I type in video ads in the search bar, the first few results I'm seeing have nothing to do with video ad creation. This is because there are not many video ad creators on here, which of course means that it's a fantastic time to jump on this website and take advantage of this opportunity right now before more people find out. Anyways, what you need to do first on here is obviously create an account to do so. Just click on register right here and you will enter in your full name, your email address, create a username and create a password. You will then want to select selling my services here, since obviously you won't be paying anyone, then click. I'm not a robot, tick this box signaling. You agree to both their terms and service and privacy, both of which you can read by clicking on them. And lastly, just click on register in order to create your brand new accounts. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you have your actual account, it's time for me to show you the actual tool that will do all of the work for you. The tool in question is called Fullexpress.com. This site, as you can see, allows you to get started for free and only for the long term. Do you have to start being for them? Now, what this does is to create video ads for you, so you don't have to do any work whatsoever. As it said on their homepage, create videos online and make high-quality video for your business, YouTube special occasions, or fun. It allows you to create videos and video ads, as I will show you soon enough. It's easy to use with no experience required at all. It's very affordable and only $1 per month for a single video, which is awesome. It's blazing fast with videos being ready in 2 minutes or. It offers its users studio quality and allows the same users to customize the videos themselves last but not the least. It's rich of content, which includes, as you can see below, video ads, which is precisely what we need. Now you can click here to check out all of the features it offers, but I will skip that since what I want to show you is located just below. You can see some of their clients here, but just below you have examples of their work. And I highly encourage you to check out their intros, and you get these intros done for you, which could take someone else hours and hours of hard work creating while you have it finished, and literally couple of minutes. Anyway, in order to start, you will need an account, so just click on register or create account. Here, in order to create one, create a username, enter in your first and last names, email address, and your password. Tick this box to agree to their terms, click on I'm not a robot, and then finally click on register. So with that done, what I now want to go over with you guys is pricing, since, as I said, this is not a free platform for a long period of time. It only stays free for a short period. Here's the thing though. The fact that it offers you free access for a set amount of time means you don't have to give away any money. And so what you can basically do is create a simple gig on legit.com and just wait for your first customer. Once that customer reaches out to you and is willing to work with you, you will then create an account on this website and use it for that very first customer. When you get paid, all you have to do is simply reinvest some of that money in this website and start using it for a longer period. And as you can see, it's quite affordable as well, given just how much money you can make creating those video ads. The most expensive plan, which you won't need by the way, costs $80 a month. And as you know, a single job could earn you between $150 and $500, which is between 2 and 6 times as much money. This has massive. So I really hope you did get some value out of this video. So this is more than worthwhile, definitely, as always. If you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below. So there's definitely a lot of different ways you can use the software, and in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos, just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll be notified whenever a new video. But regardless, this is it for today's video and that's it. This is Gain Access. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.